Welcome! Today we are going to focus on a web personalization feature. This feature allows you to create widgets and embed them into your website. These widgets will then display personalized products to your customers. Let's start by creating a new widget. The first and also crucial thing you need to do is to create a name for your widget. So let's name ours. Now, as a next step, we have to choose the type of our new widget. We can select from three options. The homepage displays products that a particular customer or similar customers have shown interest in. The other two are both related to the product detail page. The first type will show products suitable for add-on or cross-selling. The other one will show suitable alternatives to the current product. After you choose the type of widget, it's time to set the right design for your widget. In our editor, you have a couple of basic editing options such as background and border, image, title, price, and buy button. Right now, our editor can please basic design needs, but if you have a complex web design and our widget editor does not fulfill your needs, don't worry. You can create your own widget internally and call our personalization to this widget thanks to our API. Link to our documentation, where you can find a manual for such a connection, is in the description of this video. Now back to our widget in Samba. In the next step of setting, please set up embedding parameters. First, we have an HTML selector. You should have an HTML selector created on your website to mark the exact spot on your web where you want to place your widget. So firstly, choose the type and then write down the name of the selector that you created. Also, don't forget to pick the position of the widget in relation to your selector. You can choose from three options: insert above, into, or below. Optionally, you can add UTM parameters to your widget so that you have performance data from the widget also elsewhere, not just in Samba. Once you have everything set up, click on Save and Exit. After that, a new window with the code of your widget will appear. Here you can copy the code so that you can place it on your website. Once your widget is implemented, you will start to see the performance in form of impressions, percentage of clicks, number of orders made thanks to the widget, and their value. So, that would be everything you need to know about our web personalization feature. Thanks you for watching and see you next time.